In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you spend a lot of time reading documents on your computer, switching to dark mode might be just the thing you need to reduce eye strain and enhance your reading experience. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Acrobat Reader on your computer. Make sure you have the latest version installed to ensure all features are available. Once you have the program open, turn your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the menu button. It's that handy option that gives you access to all the different settings and tools Acrobat Reader has to offer. Now go ahead and click that menu. Once you do, you'll see a variety of options, but for this task, we're going to hover over the View choice. This menu is specifically dedicated to all things related to how your documents are displayed, which is precisely what we're interested in today. Once you hover over View, you'll see another set of options appear. Within these options, look for something called Display Theme. This setting controls the overall appearance of the application. You'll find several theme choices here, allowing for some customization regarding how the application looks when you're using it. For our purpose today, we want to select the option labeled Dark Gray. This is the magic setting that will switch your Acrobat Reader to dark mode, giving you that sleek, eye-friendly background. After selecting dark gray, it'll change the theme of the interface. You should notice the background and menus adopting a darker shade instantly. This change helps to reduce the glare from your screen, which is extremely helpful if you're working in dim conditions or just prefer a softer display. With the theme selected, it's crucial to apply and save your changes to ensure they stick. Sometimes software can revert to previous settings if changes aren't saved, so more on saving next. At the bottom of the menu or in a pop-up, there should be an option to apply or confirm. Once you click on this, your choice will be saved and dark mode will remain active until you decide to switch back. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you now have Adobe Acrobat Reader set up in dark mode, ready to make your document reading a more comfortable experience. Remember, you can always switch back or try other themes if you want to experiment with different settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Enjoy your newly customized Acrobat Reader and have a great day.